How you doing, Alex?
I'm great, man. Let's show to my viewers how long does it take to make a 3-point turn.
Okay.
Are you ready, my friend?
Of course I am.
Let's
Let's
do
go.
it, buddy. Let's do it.
First we put it on drive. Signal left. Check. No one's around me. No one's behind me. Now we go one turn. Okie dokie. Here we go. That's enough. Then we signal right. Put it on reverse. Again, check. No one's behind me. No one's around me. Now 2 turns. Okay, enough. Good job. Now we turn left. Put it on drive again. No one's around me. No one's behind me. Blind spot. Here we go. 1, 2. And recover.
Okay. Can you go forward a little bit more and pull over?
Yes, sir.
And just pull over again.
Here we go. Put on parking.
Put on parking.
And we left.
Okay, Mark. So, turn off the signal, please. No. Okay, perfect. So tell me, how long do you think it took you to do the 3-point turn?
15 seconds. 20 seconds, maybe.
It was about 45 seconds
Oh,
altogether. Yeah, so
wow.
it's about 45 seconds. So you see on the test, that's how long it's supposed to take, no longer than that. You checked around, you put the signals, you put the drive, everything was great. Good job, Mark.
Thank you.
Tell me, how was it?
It was great. Hey, thank you for the Patreon. It was there. I was just following instructions from Patreon. That's it. Like.
So you are my VIP Patreon, right?
What else?
I-
What else can I be? You know?
Great, man. So you looked at the Patreon, and that's how easy, by watching there, you find that it's easy to do that, right?
Of course. That's all the instructions, everything I need to know, and light work.